welcome back to my channel. This is EngineerElah, and for today, I will be answering the question of the night number 2 that I posted on my Facebook page last April 19, 2022. So our topic is about limits and evaluating limits using L'Hopital's rule. So this is the question, evaluate 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 6x minus 4 all over 4x cubed minus 2x squared minus 6 as x approaches infinity. Okay, so paano ba natin isa-solve ito? Okay, so we evaluate limits by substituting itong value na to dito sa mga variables na to. Alright, so by definition, limits is the value that a function approaches as the input approaches some value. So in this case, infinity yung ating value, no? So to evaluate this limit, we need to substitute this one to x, okay? So ganun lang siya kadali, but for some, may mga cases tayo na indeterminate yung lalabas na form, no? Hindi siya basta constant na value. So for example, pwedeng lumabas is 0 over 0, infinity over infinity, 0 times infinity, 0 raised to 0, infinity raised to 0, 1 raised to infinity, or infinity minus infinity. So ito yung ating 7 indeterminate forms. And kapag ito yung lumabas sa pag-evaluate nyo ng limit, ibig sabihin, hindi nyo siya pwedeng i-leave as ganun na lang. So, dun papasok si L'Hopital's rule, okay? And L'Hopital's rule states that the limit of the quotient of functions is equal to the limit of their derivatives. Take note, guys, that yung L'Hopital's rule, it treats the numerator and the denominator as independent function. So, hindi dito applicable yung quotient rule natin. So, ibig sabihin nun, i-differentiate nyo ng hiwalay yung numerator and denominator. And after that, you can evaluate again. And if constant na yung lumabas, then that's the answer. But if hindi pa rin, then you just continue to differentiate and evaluate until the point na maging constant na yung ating answer. So, paano nga ba natin isa-solve itong problem na to? Okay, so again, kailangan lang natin i-substitute ito. Okay, so that will be limit as x approaches infinity. Ayan, so substitute lang natin 2 infinity cubed minus 3 infinity squared minus 6 times infinity minus 4 all over 4 infinity cubed minus 2 infinity squared minus 6. So as you can see, the value for the numerator is infinity and also for the denominator. So this one is an indeterminate form. Okay, so what do we need to do is to differentiate this function. Okay, so let's do that. So this will be derivative of 2x cubed is 6x squared minus 6x minus 6. Yung denominator naman, the derivative of 4x cubed is 12x squared minus yung derivative nito is 4x. Alright? So, kapag in-evaluate mo, obviously, magiging infinity over infinity lang din siya. Kasi parang ganito lang din siya. So, as you can see, indeterminate pa rin siya. So, kapag ganito na indeterminate pa rin, you just continue to differentiate the function. So, let's try again. Derivative ng 6x squared, that will be 12x. Derivative ng 6x, that will be 6. Derivative ng 12x squared, that will be 24x minus ito yung 4x, that will be 4. Okay? And again, kapag sinubstitute mo tong infinity dito and dito, ang magiging sagot is still infinity over infinity, which is indeterminate. So again, we need to differentiate this one. So that will be 12, no, over the derivative of 24x is 24. Alright? So, if since wala ka ng variable dito, you cannot substitute this. And this is actually the final answer. So, 12 over 24 will be equal to 1/2, or in decimal, that will be 0.5. Alright? So, 0.5 is our final answer. Okay? So, ganun lang siya. And nakita ko yung mga comments nyo guys. Actually, natutuwa ako kasi ang daming nagsasagot ng mga techniques nila. And I really appreciate it guys na talagang you take time to answer and comment, no? Kahit medyo mahaba yung mga equations natin. So, nakita ko ditong technique is from Kerwin Tugado and from, actually same sila ni Lance and ni Ivan. Na ang technique nila is to get the highest exponent. So, ano ba yung highest exponent dito? Ito, di ba? Ito, tsaka ito. Okay, so ang technique daw nila is hinahanap nila yung pinakamataas na exponent sa given, and then, sinusimplify na lang nila. Okay, so, pag sinimplify mo yan, no, lalabas is 2 over 4 or 1/2. Okay, or 0.5. So, lalabas pa din yung tamang sagot. So, that is applicable, guys, kapag algebraic yung ating function. However, if meron na tayong trigonometric function, for example, may numerator ka na sin x, ganyan. I think, yun, kailangan mo na talagang mag-differentiate, no, para makakuha mo yung limit. So, another technique, nakita ko kay Joshua Castillo. So, nag-calculator technique siya. So, paano ba natin gagawin ang limit sa calculator technique? Okay, so first step is itatype mo lang yung given equation, katulad nitong ginawa niya. So, kinapin niya lang yan, no, here. And then, step 2 is to press calc. Okay, so I think ito yun, no? Yan. This one is the calc function. And magpa-prompt yung calculator na magbigay ka ng value for x. And since infinity, no, infinity yung input natin, and wala namang infinity sa calculator, ang ginagawa ko is nag-assign ako ng large value. Actually, enough na yung 100. So, yun yung ginagamit ko. And press the equal sign. So, lalabas is 0.4999. So, approximately 0.5. So, either way, you will get the correct answer. Alright, so again guys, thank you so much for participating in our QOTN, and please abangan nyo yung mga next na questions na ipopost ko, and let's learn together. So thank you so much guys for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my social media accounts, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at EngineerElah. Thank you so much and see you on my next video. Bye!